Ever wondered why the rich seem to get richer, even when they stop working? It's not magic. It's not luck. It's something your school probably never taught you properly: compound interest. And once you truly understand it, you'll never look at saving, investing, or even time the same way again. Stay till the end, because I'll show you how 500 rupees a month can become 1 crore without you ever increasing your income. Discover how a small monthly investment of 500 can potentially grow into 1 crore without needing to increase your current income. Learn the strategies and principles behind this financial transformation and start your journey towards long-term wealth accumulation. But first, tell me if this sounds familiar. You get your salary. You save a little, maybe 5,000, maybe 10,000. You put it in an FD, or maybe it sits in your savings account. Years pass, and one day you realize it's barely grown because it's just sitting there, doing nothing. That's what happens when you don't let money grow on its own. Now imagine this. Instead of your money sitting around, it starts working for you. Every rupee you save earns interest, and that interest starts earning more interest, and that's what changes everything. Let's break it down. Compound interest means you earn interest on your principal and on the interest you already earned. So your money doesn't grow in a straight line, it grows in a curve. Slow at first, then boom, it shoots up like a rocket. Let's say you invest 10,000 rupees at 12% annual return. At the end of year 1, you have 11,200 rupees. Year 2, 12,500. Year 5, 17,600. Year 10, 31,000. But here's the magic. Year 20, 96,000 rupees. You didn't add anything, just 10,000 rupees once. Now imagine what happens if you add more regularly. Let's go bigger. 5,000 rupees per month, invested in a mutual fund at 12% annual return. In 10 years, 11.6 lakhs. In 20 years, 50 lakh rupees. In 30 years, 1.76 crores. And that's just 5,000 rupees per month. Now here's the twist. If you wait 10 years before starting the same 5,000 rupees SIP, your 30-year corpus becomes only 56 lakhs. That's a loss of 1.2 crore, just because you started late. So yes, time is literally more valuable than money. Let me show you a simple mental model I call the 3 stages of compound growth. The 3 stages of compound growth mental model helps to understand the process of exponential growth over time. It highlights the initial slow growth, followed by acceleration, and finally, the exponential phase where significant results are achieved. Stage 1. Flat and frustrating. First 5-7 years, you feel like nothing is moving. You've saved lakhs, but the returns look small. This is where most people quit. They think, what's the point? Stage 2. The lift-off years 8-15. Now you see some action. Your returns are compounding faster than your contributions. You're earning 1 lakh in returns on a 5 lakh portfolio. This is when it starts to feel real. Stage 3. The moonshot after 15-20 years, your portfolio starts earning more in 1 year than what you invested in 10. That's when you sit back and your money runs the show. Now here's the common mistake. People think compound interest works only if you're rich. Wrong. It works best when you're consistent, not rich. Even someone saving 1,000 a month can build wealth if they start early and stay invested. Let me show you a real-world example. Let's say Mimi starts investing 3,000 per month at age 25. Her friend Amit waits till 35 to start, but invests 6,000 per month. They both invest till 60. Who do you think ends up with more? Mimi, right? Despite investing less every month, she ends up with more. Because compound interest rewards time, not effort. Now let's talk about where to put your money for compounding. Savings account? Nope. 3-4%, too slow. FDs? Better, but still slow. 6-7%. Mutual funds, especially equity mutual funds? Yes. Index funds, ELSS, FlexiCap funds. These give the average Indian investor a shot at 10-15% returns over the long run. Want it to grow faster? Keep costs low. Avoid timing the market. And never panic when the market crashes. Remember, down markets are temporary. But compound interest is forever. Let me give you a small test. Would you rather get 1 lakh rupees today or 1 rupee that doubles every day for 30 days? Seems obvious, right? 1 lakh. But let's do the math. 1 to 2 to 4 to 8, and it goes on. By day 15, it's 16,000 rupees. Still looks small. But by day 30, 53 crore. That's the power of exponential growth. Slow, 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 then boom. And that's why the biggest investing mistake is starting late. If you're watching this and thinking, it's too late for me, it's not. The second best time to start is today. So here's what you can do right now. Open a SIP, even if it's 500 rupees. Pick a low-cost mutual fund. Set it, forget it, let compounding do its thing. Recap time. Compound interest works better with time, not money. Small, consistent investing beats big, late investing. Start today, even if it's small. Let your money grow without interruption. Action time. Do your research on the best SIP funds for beginners in 2025 and how to set up your portfolio in just 15 minutes. But here's the catch. Some funds that worked 5 years ago may now be dead weight. So don't miss that one. If this video gave you even 1% more clarity on money, hit like, drop a comment saying, starting today, and share this with one friend who's always late with their investments. And hey, subscribe if you believe money should work harder than you do.